Victor, hello. Say hi, Uncle Big Bird.
Hi, Uncle Big Bird. Hi, Uncle Big Bird.
Today is September 6th. I know you told me to send videos. Sorry, my other phone's ringing. But I always forget. So, yesterday was Kaden's birthday. And, so he's wearing his Spidey mask for his birthday. And Kyler has one on too. He doesn't have a mask on. But, he has a weapon too. So when you get bigger, they're going to help you go fight the bad guys, right, Kaden? Mm-hmm. What about you, Kyler?
Hi, Uncle Big Bird. Hi, when are you going to take me to the playground and these? We're going to go to a pickup and eat cereal.
Kyler said, when are you going to take him to the playground? And Kaden said, we're going to go to the playground and eat cereal. And that's Donna in the other room eating cereal. Donna, say hi to Victor.
Mommy, say hi to Uncle Big Bird.
Kyler needs some help putting his suppressor on, or his silencer on his weapon. Here you go.
Cool. Hi, Uncle Big Bird. Come on, Kaden. Come on. Come on.
We're going downstairs to fight the bad guys.
Come on.
Alright, love you, Victor.